Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use a thumbnail maker inside of Canva. It is on the apps that we're playing with it, and I found one application that you can play with it, which is the thumbnail maker inside of Canva. So I created my thumbnail. This is my first time that I use that app. So while I'm creating my own thumbnail, I try to record it and show you guys how it looks like. It's so funny. You will see in the video how it looks like after you created your own thumbnail. So go ahead guys and play with it. But before that, let's go to my computer. Let's make it together and I'll show you guys how it looks like and how I made it. Alright? So without any further ado, let's go to my computer and let's do it. In Canva again, and as you see, I'm going to show you guys how you can use an AI to create your own thumbnail. So here on the apps, just click this one and scroll down a little bit. You will see here thumbnail maker. Okay, this will transform your images into a YouTube thumbnail. So let's try this one. Click the thumbnail maker, and if you have the existing design, then you can do this. But if you don't have, let's make a new one. So use in new design and choose the size or presentation that you want. I'm gonna use the presentation 16:9. Okay, so now here is my page, a blank page, because we're going to create a new one. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is, here you go, upload your images and describe the thumbnail style that you want to create. So if you have your images on the file, just click this one and choose the images that you want that you have into your file. Okay, so alright, let's see. Okay, I have the screenshot of this image. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. This is the old images that I got when I went to Thailand. So okay, describe your thumbnail style. Okay, so this is my my travel to Thailand. All right. So sorry. Okay, so this is my description about this image, and then we're going to create a thumbnail of this image. Okay, Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, so I was in Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, this is my first time I'm gonna use this app, so let's see how it looks like. Okay, so just create the thumbnail, and remember guys, just look at here at the bottom, use one of one thumbnail maker credit, so it will refresh daily. So once I finish using this, I cannot make another one until tomorrow or wait for another day. Okay, so let's see how this AI thumbnail maker can make a thumbnail with this image. Okay, then create thumbnail, and let's wait for seconds and let's see how it looks like. Voila, there you go. Oh my god, look at that. It's written in Thai language, I think. I don't know, I cannot read this one. To design. Okay, then I cannot create another one because I don't have any more credits, so I'm just showing you guys that you can create your AI thumbnail maker inside of Canva. So let's say I want to add this to the design, and I'm gonna make this as apply colors and page and set as a background. Whoa, look at that. Oh my god. Hi. Oh my god, look at that. This is not my face. Why I look like that? It's so funny. Alright, so you can play with these guys. I'm just showing you that you can create your own thumbnail inside of Canva. So maybe you choose another images or another pictures that you want to use as thumbnail. Alright, so I'm going back here and detach the image from the background. So I was like, oh, as you see guys, before I put this one, this is not really the face that I have in there. So just want to show you guys that you can create a thumbnail inside of Canva. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. It's a short tutorial about the video maker thumbnail inside of Canva. So you can try this one, guys, and play around with it. It's another apps that inside in Canva. So just be mindful that you only have one credit every day. So you have to wait for another day to create a new thumbnail for your images. Alright, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you learned something. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave. And to all of my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for all your support. And I hope to see you next time. Alright, so that's all for today, and bye for now.